This is the VA10. It's an AMOLED screen, always on capable, bright, brilliant smartwatch with lots of capabilities. You can have analog or digital for the always on, or none if you want. You have Bluetooth calling in this one. That's right, speaker, microphone. You can stream music if you want to. Twist your wrist to see the time. An integrated flashlight. Do not disturb. All the things you need. You've got step count information. You've got your hourly and your daily information. You've got heart rate. And of course, continuous heart rate is in this one as well. Sleep time you've got in there. Weather in your area. A music player built into it. And all kinds of different workout activities that you can choose from. Very well integrated smartwatch. You can click into any of them and let it run. And of course, track all the information directly on your watch, and you can send it over to your phone if you want to when you tether it. When you go this way, you've got all the things associated with your phone calling, including your voice assistant, driven by Siri or Google, just speaking into the watch. All your workout information, heart rate, blood, oxygen is in this one as well. Ladies, your female cycle is tracked, start watches, timers. You've even got a calculator and a calendar built into it. It's very lightweight. It's very thin. It's a winner. It's really nice. Multiple watch faces simply by twirling the dial. It's called the VA10. Check it out.